Alright, quick update on Strong. So, for the past two videos I've made for this, we've been outlining why personally I'm bearish. We started making videos when we were up here at 270, and I said I was bearish. Some people disagreed with me, and, we're down almost 25% since then. So, I outlined why I think we're bearish. Number one reason is there's so much selling volume coming in. Number two, we're in a massive bearish pennant. And, I think I'd said the price target of this was down here in like the 70s or something. So in my opinion, I said, it's very likely that we're at least going to come down to 163. If we do break through there like butter, then we can start talking about moves to, 79, 80, and 75. So in my opinion, nothing's changed. We've broken below the bull flag today, or the bearish pennant, sorry. If we come to the 4 hour and collapse it, you can see we are seeing insane amounts of selling volume stepping in. I said this. I said that we were bearish on this token. A lot of people disliked and disagreed with me and just keep on saying it's going to go to the moon. But, if I flatten the data, this coin doesn't do anything. It just keeps on dumping since its all-time high up here at 1,200. Since then, it has basically bled out about 82%. So, you could always argue that at some point it will have its day in the sun. I did also say that in my video, that I don't think it's just going to go straight down to zero. It probably will have a dead cat bounce at some point. We outlined this level down here as a level where we could see a dead cat bounce at 214, and you can see temporarily we are getting stuck on here. So in the short term, what do I see happening for this token? So I would think it's potentially likely to come up, backtest the 233, or maybe even backtest the 246 before we do start breaking down. In my opinion, I do think it's very likely that we're going to be coming down to 164, and I said that when we were all the way up here at 270. It seemed like a steep drop because that was a 40% drop that we were predicting, and we're already past the halfway threshold of falling off the table for this coin. So really nothing's changed. In fact, there's even more selling volume stepping in today. RSI is falling off the table. Money flow is completely flat. There's no money coming into this token whatsoever. The relative strength is getting weaker and weaker. There's more and more sellers stepping in. If we zoom out, I can just kind of put a trend line like this, and you can see that over time more and more sellers are just dumping this token and getting out. And I outlined why I thought that in the last video, because they've got a new chain coming out, they've got a new token coming out, they're slashing rewards. So I think people are just exiting this. They've realized their profits, or some people are potentially just at a loss right now, and they're hoping that it will pump at some point. So I do feel for anyone who is in this token right now and it's dumping. Obviously it's not fun, and I don't wish losses on anyone. I am just here to provide you my unbiased perspective on the market, and I don't hold this token, so I don't gain anything from telling you it's bullish or bearish. Bear in mind, if I just lied and said this looks bullish and it's going to go straight up to the all-time high, then holders of this coin probably would have liked this video a lot more. But I'm not here to clickbait, I'm not here to lie, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm never going to sugarcoat anything. So it may sound bad, but this is what the chart is. We're below every single level. We even gave it the benefit of the doubt and drew it to the all-time low at 1650, which isn't even on the chart on KuCoin. And we said we're below the 786, we're below the 200-day, we're in this fat descending triangle pattern, and we've just basically fallen through the floor. So 2 videos ago I said this coin is on its deathbed, and people disagreed with me. Last video I made for this coin, I said it was on life support. I didn't, I think all the strong fanboys that disliked my original video haven't come back to my channel, so it is what it is. I'm probably not going to be part of the strong community, so wish me luck. But yeah, like I said, I'm not part of this token. I won't be buying or holding this token. Like I said, I'm not poking fun at anyone. I do feel for you if you are in this token and you are losing money. But in my opinion, this token is going to keep staircasing down, higher low, break down, higher low. And in my opinion, it's going to trend to somewhere around about 73. Now, I could very much argue that 73 may be the bottom, but you know, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of this project, so I wouldn't ever be buying this. I mean, we could come all the way down to 73 and I wouldn't buy. We could come all the way down to $2 and I wouldn't buy. So, you know, I could be wrong and we could just start exploding right now, but for me to be wrong, we do at least need to break above the 786, which is up here at 274, and close a weekly candle above there. So, you know, until we get above 272, 274, absolutely nothing's changed. We're in a fat downtrend. We've broken through the bearish pennant, and in my opinion we're going to start staircasing down to hell. So my next target is 163, which, like I said, is another 20%, 24% drop. We predicted this when we were all the way up here, and this was a 42% drop, and you know, like I said, we've already come down 20% in my past two videos. So past two videos I looked at this coin objectively, I said it was bearish, and all we've done is drop like a rock since then. So this is basically all I see for Strong. Don't need to drag this video out for too long, just because, you know, it's very bearish. There's not really anything else to talk about. So once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. And if you're holding this coin, best of luck as well. Peace.